Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So children, today in this chapter we are going to learn about addition. So let's start with that. We have learnt additions of two or more 2 digits and 3 digits numbers in the previous class. Here we shall learn about 4 digits numbers. Let's learn some facts about additions. Okay, so start with that addition. Addition is a process in which we collect and count the given numbers by their face value and makes a final total. Okay, the sign of addition is like this addition sign. Okay, addends, the numbers given to be addend or summed up are called addends. Sum like this. The total and the final results outcomes obtained after additions is called sum. Example here 11 and 8. So 11 and 8 these two numbers we just call it addends. 11 और 8 हमारा addends कहलाता है. And 19 this is the outcome of that particular one. So 19 is our sum. Okay. So remember these two terms. So additions without carrying. So learn about that. How to add? Step number 1. Arrange the numbers in the columns of thousand, hundreds, tens and ones. Step number 2. First add the ones, then add the tens, followed by the hundreds and finally add the thousands. Okay, so these are the steps. By this you have to solve कि कैसे आपको addition करना है. पहले आपको arrange करना है, फिर ones की place, then tens की place, 100 की place and then move on 1000 place. So solved example. So start with that. Example number 1, add 2264 and 2132. So solution is given here. Arranging the given numbers in columns and adding column wise, we get 2264 plus 2132. So हमने क्या करा? Explanations क्या है? Step number 1, add ones. सबसे पहले हम ones को add करेंगे. 4 ones plus 2 ones. 4 और 2 को हमने किया, हमारा आया 6. ओके, एंड स्टेप नंबर 2 में हम क्या करेंगे? add tens. 6 tens plus 3 tens is equal to 9 like this. ओके, स्टेप नंबर 3 में बच्चों add hundreds. अब hundreds को add करना है like this. 200 plus 100 is equal to 300. So like this 300. Okay, step number 4 में add thousands. So 2000 plus 2000 is equal to 4000. So write 4 under 1000 column like this. Okay, so 2264 plus 2132 is equal to 4396. So this is the example of that one. Okay, how you have to solve? First just write the values in a column wise and then start with ones place. So this is example number 2. You just read it and you will get the answer soon. Okay, now move on exercise 4.1. okay, add the following. So 4167 and 3832. So start with ones place. So if you add 7 or 2, so 7 is a bigger number, so keep that number on brain. So makes on 2 on hand, or you can just write on like this. So 7 and 2 is our 9. So write the value of 9 on ones place. Okay. Then start with tens place. 6 or 3. 6 or 3 is 9. So write it 9 over there like this. 8 and 1 is 9. Write it 9 on 100 place. And 4 and 3. So 4 and 3 is our 7. So 7999 is the answer of that particular one. Similarly, these are the other examples given here. You have to solve that answers yourselves. So now move on next one. Arrange in columns and add the following. So 3562 and 4326. So first we need to do arrange it. So write it like 3562. Okay, and second one is 4326. So we just arrange. हमने ये arrange कर दिया है. अब we start doing addition. So start with ones place. 6 or 2 8. Again 6 or 2 8. 5 or 3 8. And 4 or 3 7. So 7888 is the answer of that particular one. Similarly, you have to solve the other one yourselves. Okay. So now additions with carrying. Let's learn these examples carefully. These will help us to do additions with carrying. Solve examples. Example number 1. Find the sum of 3675 and 3589. Solution. Arrange the given numbers in columns. पहले columns में arrange करेंगे and adding column wise we get हमें मिलेगा. So ये already solution दे रखा है. Start with ones place, then go to tens, then 100 and then 1000. Then you will get the answer 7264. Okay. Explanation is given here. Add the ones. 5 ones plus 9 ones 14. Okay. Like this. So 14 कैसे बना बच्चों? 10 ones plus 4 ones इन दोनों को मिलके बना. So 10 ones plus 4 ones makes number 110 plus 4 ones. So write 4 under 1. हमने यहाँ पर 4 लिख दिया and carry 110 to tens. जब हमारा कैरी होता है तो हम आगे फॉरवर्ड करते हैं, तो ये हमने एक कैरी दे दिया. ओके. देन स्टेप नंबर 2 हमें क्या बोल रहे हैं? ऐड द टेंस. फिर टेंस को ऐड करना है. 110 मीन्स कैरीड ओवर, जो कैरीड ओवर था. 7 टेंस, 8 टेंस, हमारा कितना बना बच्चों? 16 टेंस. सो 16 टेंस हाउ वी विल राइट? 10 टेंस प्लस 6 टेंस. So it becomes 100 plus 6 tens. So write now 6 under the tens column. फिर हमने 6 को, क्योंकि 2 डिजिट्स को नहीं लिखेंगे, हम 6 लिखेंगे. कैरी ओवर 100 to 100 कॉलम्स. जो 1 कैरी बचा वो आगे चला गया. नाउ स्टेप नंबर 3, एट द 100. अब 100 की बारी आ गई है. सो 100 कैरीड ओवर plus 600 plus 500. So it becomes now 1200. Okay. So 1200 हमारा कैसे बना? 1000 plus 200 like this. Okay. And 1000 is same as 1000 plus 200. So write now 2 under 100 columns. अब हम 2 लिखेंगे 100 की columns पे. Now carry over 1000 to 1000 columns. Okay. So now step number 4, add the thousands. अब हम thousands को add करेंगे. So 1000, okay, carried over plus 3000 is equal to 7000. So write it 7000. Okay. So write 7 under 1000 column like this. So the sum of 3675 and 3589 is 7264. So with this we just solved the questions. So put the value on the right column and start with ones place. Okay. So with this I hope you understood well. These are the other example. Example number 2, example number 3. So read it carefully. Exercise 4.2. Add the following. Okay. So first number is 1746. So write it 1746 like this. Second digit is 7254. So 7254 like this. So add both the number together. So start with ones place. So 6 or 4 is 10. So 10 का 0. Carry 1. 5 or 4 is 9. 9 में carry जोड़ा. 10 का 0. Carry 1. 7 or 2 is 9 and 1 is 10 का 0. Carry 1. 7, 8 and 9. So 9000 is the additions of both the numbers. Okay. So this is how you have to add the others numbers. Okay. So find the other answers very well. So now question number 2, find the sum. 1357, 4678 and 2965. So start with that like this. Put the value, okay, like this. So we just write the all digits, column wise. And remember, always start with ones place. So 7, 8 and 5. So add both the numbers 7 and 8. 15 and 15 and 5 is 0. So 0 and carry 2. So start with 6 and 7. 13, 14, 15, 15 and 5 is 20, 20 is 2, carry 0, carry 2, 9 or 6 is 15, 18, 20, 0, carry 2, so 4, 2, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So this is the addition sums. You can take any number with any ones. Okay. So आप 7 को 8 से करो या 8 को 5 से करो. You just need to do, remember you have to add 3 numbers together. Okay. So 9,000 is the answer of that particular one. So write it 9,000 over there. Okay. So these are the other examples. So you have to solve it by your own. Okay. Now move on question numbers. Next topic. So property of addition. Order property or commutative property for additions. If the order of addends is changed, the sum remains the same. This is called the order property or commutative property for additions. So बच्चों ये हमारा कह रहे हैं कि अगर तो हम किसी भी वैल्यू को प्लस करते हैं, उसके अगर हम उसके वैल्यू को इंटरचेंज कर देते हैं तो हमारा आंसर्स में कोई भी चेंज नहीं आता. सो दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ दैट वन. ओके. सो नाउ रूल नंबर सेकंड. रूल नंबर सेकंड इज सेइंग ग्रुपिंग प्रॉपर्टीज और एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी फॉर एडिशंस. द सम ऑफ 3 और मोर नंबर्स रिमेन द सेम even the order of the number is changed. This is called the grouping property or associative property. Okay. So हमने क्या करना है, इसको चेंज करके देखना है कि ये सेम है कि नहीं है. Like this grouping property or addition property. Like this example is given here 1368 and 2452. अगर हम इसको इंटरचेंज कर देते हैं तो हमारा वैल्यू क्या रहेगी, सेम रहेगी. ओके. नाउ रूल नंबर 3 इज जस्ट सेइंग एडिटिव प्रॉपर्टी फॉर ज़ीरो. ज़ीरो मीन्स अगर किसी भी वैल्यू को ज़ीरो के साथ ऐड कर देते हैं, लाइक दिस, इफ वी ऐड ज़ीरो टू एनी नंबर द सम रिमेन्स द सेम. दिस इज कॉल्ड द एडिटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ज़ीरो. सो हेयर इट इज गिवन 2785 and if you add 0 with that the answer will remain the same. Okay, because 0 has no value. 0 की कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती है. So this is the answer of, this is the rule of that one. Okay. So now we just go to exercise number 4.3. Filling the blanks. Dash plus 3716. 3716 में you just add which number, then you will get the answer same. Yes, we know if you add 0 over there, अगर हम इसमें 0 लिखेंगे तो हमारे आंसर में कोई चेंज नहीं होने वाला. ओके. सेकेंड वन 4689 प्लस 1831 इज इक्वल टू, ये दोनों के दोनों, these two numbers is equal to these two numbers. Okay. तो हमारा क्या है, 4689 is already here, given here. So here it is given. हमने यहाँ पर क्या लिखना है, 1831. Only then both the numbers will, you know, same. 4689 match with other number and 1831 is matched with next one. Okay. So similarly you have to solve the next one by your own. Okay. Now next topic is watch problem. Example number 1. Karthik Sharma purchased a refrigerator for rupees 6579. Okay. And juicer mixers for rupees 2533 from a shop. How much money he has to pay for both the products? अगर उसको दोनों प्रोडक्ट्स लेने हैं तो उसको कितना पैसा देना पड़ेगा? ऑफ कोर्स दोनों को ऐड करने पे देना पड़ेगा. सो सॉल्यूशन होता है बच्चों, कॉस्ट ऑफ द रेफ्रिजरेटर रुपीज 6579, कॉस्ट ऑफ द जूसर मिक्सर की कॉस्ट है हमारा 2533. सो टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ बोथ द प्रोडक्ट्स, दोनों की कॉस्ट क्या हो गई, दोनों को ऐड करके हमारा हो गया 9112. सो कार्तिक शर्मा हैज टू पे rupees 9112 in all. So this is the answer of that particular one. So this is answer number 2. Read it out. You know, this is example number 3. You just read it and you will get the answer soon. Okay. Now move on question exercise number 4.4. If 5609 men, so 5609 men, okay, and 1395 children. So 1395 children live in a town. So what is the total populations? Total populations कितनी हो गई? So this is clearly addition sums. So add both the value. So 9 and 5 we know 9 and 5 is 14. 14 का 4 carry 1. Okay, 9 और 1 is 10. 10 का 0 carry 1. 6 और 3 is 9. 9 with 1 10 0 carry 1. Then 5 6 and 7. So 7004 is the populations of the town. Okay. So second question, question number 3. These are the examples of these addition sums. So you only need to do practice. Okay. So with this we ended the chapter. I hope you understood well. So keep practicing like this.